Hello students, welcome back to your online session for maths class for today. Now today we are going to begin with exercise 11 of unit 4, and in this exercise we are going to do and learn word problems, how to solve word problems, how to write down their statements and how to then solve it and how to just guess it out like which operation we are going to use in this question. These all we are going to learn in this exercise. So let us get started. Beginning with question number 1, the question says the product of two numbers is 4560. If one of them is 15, find the other number. So, first of all, what we need to do, we need to understand what the question is trying to say. The question is saying that if we'll multiply two numbers, the answer is given to us. This is the answer. And out of those two numbers, one number is given to us and we have to find other number. So for this, we have to apply division operation. First, let us see the statement. The product of two numbers is already given to us in question and it is 4560. Okay, and out of those two numbers, one number is already given to us and another number is not given, right? So what we will do, we will multiply 15 and other number, as it is not given to us, we will write down as it is as other number, and their product, their multiplication answer is 4560. Then we will write other number and to this number we will divide from 5. Let us see its division part. 15 3s are 45. Okay, after subtracting we'll get 0. Now see, first of all we'll write this 6 over here, but as we all know that we cannot divide this 6 from 15, so we have to take this 0 as well along with it. But as we took two digits altogether over here, we have to write 0 over here. This is the rule of division. Okay, always remember, we cannot take two digits together without writing 0 over here. Okay, now 15 4s are 60. After subtracting we'll get 0. So it means our final answer is 304. And what does it mean? That we will multiply 304 and 15, will get 4560 as its answer. Okay, now let us move on to question number 2. Now question number 2 says 5 to 55 balls have to be filled equally in 34 boxes. Now how many balls will be filled in each box if all the boxes have the same number of balls? How many balls will be left out? Let us try to understand what the question is saying. That there are total of 5255 balls which we have to fill or which we have to keep in 34 boxes. Now what we need to solve or tell in the question, that after, like, we have to tell in how many balls will be there in each box, and then after calculating it we also have to tell that how many balls will be left out. So our first statement is total number of balls, this much, then total number of boxes, this much. These two details are already given to us in the question. Then our third statement will be number of balls in each box. In each box means in one box how many balls will be there, and to find it out we have to simply divide it. 5255 divided by 34, and see, this is the division part. 34 ones is 34. After subtracting these two numbers we will get 18. Okay, then we will write this 5 over here. Then 34 5s are 170, and after subtracting these two numbers we will get 15. Then we will write this 5 over here. Now 34 4s are 136. Then we will subtract these two numbers again and we will get 19 as remainder. So it means that in one box 154 balls will be there, and in total 19 balls will be left out. See, this is our answer. 154 balls will be there in each box and 19 balls will be left out. Okay, so this is how we have done question number 2. Now we will move on to question number 3. Let us see what this question is saying. 18 books cost rupees 9,972 rupees. Okay, find the cost of one book if they all cost the same. So it means there are total of 18 books and the total cost of 18 books is 9,972, and we have to find out the cost of each book if the cost of all the books are same. So our statement is total number of books 18. Okay, now cost of 18 books this much. Now how we are going to find out what is the cost of one book? Cost of one book is equals to, we will divide it, 9972 divided by 18. Let us see its division part. 9972 divided by 18. 18 5s are 90, and after subtracting we will get 9 over here, and we will take this 7 as it is over here. Now again we have to take a number less than 90, and that 97, sorry, and that will be again 90. So 18 5s are 90 again. We will subtract these two numbers again, it will become 72. Now 18 4s is 72. So it means we have divided this number completely. So it means that the cost of one book is rupees 554. Okay, now let us move on to question number 4, and the question says Rahul packed 2470 kgs wheat equally in 38 bags. How much does each bag weigh? It means this much quantity of wheat Rahul has packed in 38 bags. Okay, now we have to tell that in one bag how much wheat was there. Now the statement is total weight of wheat is 2470 given in the question. Now total number of bags 38 given in the question. Weight of one bag, how we are going to find it out? We will divide the numbers. Okay, let us see its division part. 2470 divided from 38. 38 6 is 228. Okay, now after subtracting these two numbers we will get 19. Then we will write down this 0 as it is over here. 38 5s gives us 190. So this is how we have divided it properly. Okay, now it means the weight of one bag is 65 kgs. Okay, now let us move on to question number 6. We will not do question number 5. Okay, let us see question number 6, students, and the question says divide the greatest 7-digit number by the greatest 2-digit number and check your answer. Okay, now see what is the greatest 7-digit number? It is 7 times 9. Okay, and greatest 2-digit number is 2 times 9, 99. Now what we need to do? We need to just find out its quotient. We will divide it. 99 ones will give us 99, and after subtracting it is subtracted perfectly. We will get 0 over here. Now see, to divide it further what we need to do? We will take this 9 as it is, but we cannot divide this 9 from 99. So what we need to do? We need to take this 9 again. Okay, and to do this we have to put 0 over here. Now it has become 99. Now we can divide it again. 99 ones are 99. Subtract it, then it will get 0 over here. Then again we have to take this 9 over here, but again we need to take one more 9, and to do so we have to put 0. Now 99 ones are 99. After subtracting we will get 0. Now see, we have to write down this 9 over here. Fine, but as we cannot divide it, so according to the rule what we need to do next? We have to put 0 again over here. Okay, always remember, while taking two digits together over here we have to put 0, and if any digit which we take from here and it is not divisible, we have to put 0 again in quotient part. Okay, so this is our quotient. Now what you have to do, students, In the question says check your answer. I hope you all remember how to check the answer. Yes, this is the formula. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, now this is the work I am giving to you all to solve it by yourself. Just put the values. Divisor is this one and quotient is this one and remainder is this one. Okay, you have to just put the values and you have to just calculate it. So this part you all will do by yourself. Now we will move on to question number 7, and the question says an NGO planted 2,77,196 plants in 46 days. How many plants did they plant each day? It means let us try to understand what question is saying, that an NGO, okay, planted these many plants in 46 days. They took 46 days to plant these many plants. Okay, now in one day how many plants did they planted? एक दिन में उन्होंने कितने plants लगाए? Okay, now first of all we need to write down the statement. Total number of plants this much, then total number of days, how many days they took? 46 days. Okay, now what we need to find out? Number of plants they planted in one day, and to calculate this we have to simply divide it. Okay, let us see its division part. 46 6 is 276 and we cannot take any number more than this, and after subtracting we'll get 1 over here. Now I wrote 1 again over here from taking from here, but we cannot divide 11 from 46. So what we need to do, we need to take again 9 over here, and as we took 2 digits from this part we have to put a 0. Okay, now see 46 2s are 92. After subtracting we'll get 27. Then we will take this 6 over here. Now 726 you can see, and 726 was there also. So 46 6 is 276. Okay, 276. After subtracting we'll get 0. So it means our final answer is 6026, and according to the question it means that in one day they planted 6026 plants. Okay, so this is how we have done exercise 11 of unit 4. Please student, do these sums in your maths registers in a very neat and clean handwriting, mentioning today's date as well on top. Okay, make sure to mention every day's date first of all and then begin with the work. That is all for today. Have a good day students. Take care.